Jamaican stories that will have you wondering why people so wicked. Almost Missing. Part 2. While running for their lives, the other young lady was in total shock and panic. She could hardly hold herself together and her screams in. It got worse when they almost fell into a grave hole big enough to fit two unalive people, and it looked like it had been freshly dug. The young lady told her to shh and to calm down, pointing to an area dark enough for them to hide. As the two women hid, they could hear the voices of multiple men tearing through the bushes, trying to find them and cursing that they got away. The two hid, and the young lady prayed like never before. The other young lady suggested that they hide in the grave hole until things calmed down, but the young lady refused to go along with that. It was the worst idea that she had ever heard. As they hid in the dead of the night trying to stay silent, the young lady remembered an app she installed on her phone and that she shared her location with her mom that was abroad. She sent the 911 to her mom, and her mom alerted her aunt. By this time, the men seemed to have called it quits, thinking that the girls must have been long gone by then, so the place was pitch dark and eerily quiet. They still didn't dare to come out. The young women stayed hidden until authorities followed the GPS and rescued them. Nobody knows what happened to the female that was in the passenger seat of the vehicle.
Like and subscribe for more.